and just clip it right on. And this is how it would look as a bag charm. I love how this looks. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys an item that you tend to see often when I am doing a what's in my bag. The reason I want to share this item is because if you're new to either Louis Vuitton or any luxury item, I believe that you should definitely start off with this, if not just get this, because it's so versatile and it's just so convenient. The item that I am talking about is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. This item I have in the Damier Abine canvas, but I also have it in the monogram canvas. That is to show you how much I actually really like this item. These retail currently in 2019 for $205 without tax. These used to be very hard, not very hard, but these were a little bit difficult to get a hold of, but now I find that whenever I go on the website, they are available. One of the things that I really like about this is the canvas. It's so easy to wipe this off because you're gonna be throwing it in your bag or just taking it out with you. You want an item or you want a material that will be very easy to wipe off. This item does have a gold zip closure, and this is what the interior looks like. And don't let looks deceive you. This item fits so much. One thing I like about this is that it has this gold key ring that you can use. I'll actually show you my monogram because I'm using it right now. That you can use to clip your keys on. You can use to clip on your supermarket stuff. Whatever it is that you want to clip on, you can clip on this. All right, let's get into some things that you can use this key pouch for. One of the things I already mentioned, you can use it to clip your keys on and just keep other items in the inside. One of the things that I use this for are my cards. I put the cards that I use more often, like my credit cards, my debit card, my license, I put in here. Anything that I use frequently, I put in this pouch. Second thing that you can use this for, you can use it to put coins in, you can use it to put cash in, you can actually put cards, cash, and coins into this little pouch. And that's why I said, don't let the look of how small it looks throw you off, because this little thing here can fit a lot of stuff. Another thing that you can use this for to keep yourself organized is that you can put all of your receipts in here. Just like I said, to keep yourself organized. You get a receipt. I find that sometimes I just throw it in my bag. When I have this, because I do have two, if you only have one and want to use it as a receipt pouch, that's fine. Just take your receipts when you get them and just stick them in here. It'll keep you more organized so that instead of running through your bag, if you change out bags trying to remember which bag you put what receipt into, having it in a pouch will definitely keep you more organized. You can also use this pouch to put your lipstick in if you want, chapstick, hair elastics, any of those smaller items that when you're running out the door you want to just throw in your bag, but you actually want to keep it organized in your bag. You can use this so that you have those items quickly if you want to just, like I said, grab your chapstick, put it on, throw it back in here, lipstick, hair elastic, because you know those things can get caught or hidden inside of anything that you have in your bag. Use this pouch to keep those things in one place. If you're a teacher, one thing that you can definitely use this for are your paper clips, your rubber bands, your smaller paper holders or paper item stuff. You can definitely put in here so that it's easier for you to find the items when you're looking for it. I find that this thing, as I mentioned, the uses for them can just keep your stuff organized when either you put it in your bag or if you're just gonna grab it and go. If you're grabbing it and going, like I do with these things most of the times, I would keep my necessities in it. Necessities being my license, my cards, my cash if I have any, my coins, and then just have your keys right on the key ring. If you want, you can actually use this as a key charm. I grabbed my Alma BB really quick because I wanted to show you guys the key pouch used as a bag charm. So what you would want to do is you would want to open this up and just clip it right on. And this is how it would look as a bag charm. I love how this looks. Actually, to be honest, this is another reason why I picked up both canvases, because I know that I can put this on my Alma BB, and then I could take the monogram one and I could either put it on my Neverfull or my favorite any of the items that I have with the same canvas. If you want to, you can actually mix canvases. I've never done it because I just think I wouldn't like the way it looks. But once again, you're free to use whatever you want, however you want, as long as you like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. Until next time.